Whenever you go to try to purchase a house, say you make $2,000 a month, you can take about half of that and use it towards a house payment if you choose to. That would be about $1,000 a month. At a 10% interest rate, that means that you could possibly get somewhere around a $100,000 house. If it's 3.5% down that you're required to have as a down payment, then that means you need to have about $3,500 saved while we're doing credit repair. So the end result is that you get what you want and you'll be able to get that dream home that you've always wanted to have.